Today we're going to show you how we clean this fence to get ready for staining. Today we are fence cleaning, getting ready for staining these new panels next week. But not everything was replaced. So there's a couple of sections that need to be cleaned first. And on the outside right here as well. We just pre-wet all the dirty surfaces. So that's step number one, is to just get a light coat of water all over the wood. And then we'll come back with the wood cleaner and apply it. So if you're doing a DIY project, you will be using a pump up sprayer most likely. But we have a 12 volt system with a drop stick. So once the cleaner's been sitting on there for about 20 minutes or so, the wood should look darker, which is normal, and it's ready to pressure wash off now. The fence has been pressure washed. We're gonna come back through with wood brightener. And we get all of our wood cleaning products from Stain and Seal Experts. The link in the description will take you straight to their website. We also get all of our stains from them as well. So you can see it's already lightening up, but the wood brightener just went on. We're gonna let it sit here for as long as the wood cleaner was on, so roughly 15 or 20 minutes. The wood brightener's been sitting on long enough, so now we're gonna rinse it clean, roll up the hose, and come back next week once the moisture level is below 13%. Comment below with any questions. We do our best to answer them as quick as possible. Thanks for watching. This is Live Oak Home and Commercial in Austin, Texas.